Now that October's here, let's dive in with this delicious pumpkin spice snickerdoodle recipe. Today we're making soft and chewy snickerdoodle cookies with a pumpkin spice twist. I'm Wendy and this is the Baker's Loft. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take the classic snickerdoodle cookie and elevate it by using pumpkin spice and pumpkin puree. These cookies are amazing, so let's just dive right into the recipe. We're going to get our dry ingredients together. This is flour, baking soda, cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is what gives the snickerdoodle cookie that little bit of tanginess, so don't leave it out. And you also are going to put in pumpkin pie spice. I love making my own pumpkin pie spice. It's really simple. And it smells, it smells amazing. So I have a video, a very short video that I'll leave in the comments below so you can make your own too. We're just gonna give this a good whisk so that we can get all of that nice pumpkin pie spice incorporated into our flour. Now we need to start getting our wet ingredients going. So I have a cup of butter in here, and I'm going to put in some granulated sugar as well as some brown sugar. And we're going to beat this on high speed until it's light and fluffy for about 2 minutes. That looks great. And we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. And to this, we're going to add 1 egg and, hope I don't spill this, our vanilla. We're going to beat this on medium speed just until the egg is incorporated and the vanilla is combined. Now this is what your snickerdoodle cookie dough would look like, just like this. But let's put in our pumpkin puree and see what we come up with. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients and we're going to beat this on low speed until everything comes together. Make sure you don't overmix it though. Here's what our dough looks like, kind of a nice orange color, and we have to put this in the refrigerator for about an hour. This dough is pretty loose right now, so if I were to scoop this out, roll it in the cinnamon sugar, and bake it, they would just flatten right out. The butter needs to harden up, so that's why we're going to put this in the refrigerator. While our dough is chilling in the refrigerator, let's make our pumpkin spice sugar mix. To this small bowl, I'm going to add our sugar, and this is about a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. Don't forget, I'm putting this recipe in the description below. All right, we're all set. We have our pumpkin spice sugar mix. This is a medium cookie scoop, and we have our chilled snickerdoodle dough. So we're just going to get a nice little size like this. We're going to drop it right in to our mix. Give it a nice coating. And we're going to add it to our cookie sheet like that. So we're basically going to scoop, mix, drop, repeat. And you want to space them out, I'd say a good 2 inches apart from each other. And once you have them all spaced out to your liking, we're going to bake these at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Look how beautiful these just turned out. Look at that. Yum, yum. Let's just get these on a plate. These cookies turned out so well. I really hope you make them. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to leave me a comment on these cookies, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.